And number 9 is again, this is more getting going stuff. Is number 9 is start before you're ready. Stop waiting for things to be perfect, for the confidence to be, everything to be right, everything to be perfect, and just get going, right? Because if you're going to wait till you're ready, then you'll never start, or you'll be too delayed. Get up, make the firm decision, get going, learn by falling forwards, not holding back. And I think that's such an important.
Say that again. I love that.
What did I say?
Learn by falling
forwards, not holding back.
Yeah.
Learn by falling forwards, not holding back. Hey, that's a good one. I need to.
That's the title.
Yes, that is true. And it just came out.
It's like, oh, interesting. Yeah. Tell me more.
Yeah, and that's why, start before you're ready is so important. And again, this came from someone that worked with us. She just knew she had to get going. She didn't have anything. She didn't have a talk. She wasn't quite confident. And she's like, you know what? I just knew I needed to start before I'm ready. And that's why that's step number 9.